Go.
Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. Today I want to show you about rear axles on MGBs. We just sold a differential to a guy who wanted one style, and we actually accidentally got him the wrong one, and that prompted the issue. And I want to show you how to tell the difference between the rear axles, because there is a small difference but a significant difference between the wire wheel axle and the disc wheel axle on the tubed Salisbury or GT differential fitted to the MGBs 1965 through 1980. We've changed our cameraman now. I'll get Danielle to come in close here. We'll see that on this one here, the distance from the backing plate to the center, let me change this around the other way because you're going to have to read it upside down. Here we have approximately 4 3/8 inches. Okay, that's the narrower diff. Now we're going to come up and take a look at the wider diff, and this is about 5 1/4 inches. The wider diff is the disc wheel diff. This is the disc wheel diff. We'll come on back. This is the wire wheel diff. Now the reason we bring this up is because it's often common to want to change from disc wheel to wire wheel, or vice versa. Now on a rubber bumpered car, you can put wire wheels on a disc wheel diff, usually simply by changing the hubs. But on a chrome bumper car and some rubber bumpered cars, because the disc wheel diff is wider, it pushes the wheel out just a little bit farther, 3/4 of an inch or so on the side, and the outside of the wheel will rub on the inside of the wheel arch. I'll get Danny to show you. Here's the axle shafts. These are different axle shafts. The longer one is for the disc wheel. The shorter one is for the wire wheel. So again, there is a difference in the diffs. The difference doesn't lie between one side of the diff and the other because the springs sit in the same spot. The difference lies right down here on the end. The narrower one is wire wheels, the wider one is disc wheels. You can put wire wheels on a disc wheel diff, usually on a rubber bumpered car, because the rear end of the car sits up so high that there isn't much of an interference. As long as everything's in line and as long as the passenger and driver are not too large, so it causes a settling of the springs. I hope this is helpful. We'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Send us more emails. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.